I'm pretty sure that sniper we just got is gonna come in pretty good handy right here. Pretty soon, maybe.
Let's be careful.
I mean, because it looks like a pretty open world. Oh crap. Hi. Oh my god. I like how my guy's just out in the open and he don't care. Well, I see. You got yourself a crossbow. That's new. Alright. Because I know they had guns, but crossbows. Alright. Gonna slowly creep up on this guy. Take him out real fast. Hold on. It's okay, buddy. You're gonna feel a little bit slight trauma to your head. Alright, it's cool. Okay. Oh crap. There's one right there. Okay. Maybe if I like sneak up behind him, he won't notice a thing. This one's kind of oblivious. He doesn't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on either. I'm very confused right now because I keep switching worlds. I don't know anymore. Wait, he has something on him. Ooh, grenade. Nice. Alright. Oh crap. Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me get this bomb. I use it for pots. Whoa. What the heck? What? Grab it. There you go. Good job. Alright. Go ahead and take him out. Wait, hold on, hold on. We got some harpoons. We got some... Yeah, we got some bullets. Alright. Oh, holy crap. You scared me, sir. I thought you for a second was one of them. And not a nice person. Alright, I should take the hatchet. This would be a good time for that. Okay. Making sure there's no more bombs over here. Okay. Hey, there's a switch on the wall. What does this do? Oh! Wait, I started something. I started something. That did something. Apparently I gotta go pull the switches on that doors over there.
Get to cover. They're shooting from above.
What? Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Crap! Get down! Get down! Get down! Oh my god. Okay. I think this is where my sniper comes in handy.
Out before we can get in.
Yep, I was right. Oh crap! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Put me out! Ah! Stop, drop, and roll. Okay, we're good. All right. It's alright. It's alright. Everything's fine. That's too. Alright. Wait. What the heck? Oh. I still have my shotgun out, but it's strange. Alright. Can I shoot them down?
Now we can get through without getting skewered. We won't stand a chance if we don't take out those other guns.
Uh-oh. Crap. They're coming. There's some more people are coming. Oh, okay. Oh wait, ah crap. Oh. I mean I did. Wait! What the heck? Okay, never mind. Oh crap! There's one of them right there! Hey! Buddy, you gotta let go of my friend. Okay, nope.
Out of ammo.
Get down! That's alright, I can slash him. You got the axe, buddy. Alright, I'll just keep healing you up, and then everything will be fine. I'll just keep filling you up, and then you have to get. Oh. Plus, you're kind of shooting an axe. Oh my god. There's Big Bubba. Oh, Big Bubba. Big Bubba's coming after me. Oh dear. Alright. Hey, Big Bubba. You know, I should save the sniper ammo. I think that would be smarter. Oh crap. I gotta hurry. Okay. Oh wait. No, I wasted my sniper ammo. Oh, I feel so stupid. Wait. Haha. More bullets. Okay. Give me, oops, my sniper. Thank you. Alright. Woo, crap. Okay, steak face is coming. Yeah. Ah! Hey, I'll just let my guy take him out. I mean, he's got a really freaking strong axe. Alright. Oh, good! He comes after me instead. Alright. Buddy. You ain't doing your job. Oh, he's biting me. Ugh, he's infected. I'm infected now. Ugh. Okay. I need to inject myself with heroin. I'll make everything better. Oh wow, look at all these stuff that they dropped. They must really love me. Okay. Oh crap. Wait. I can snipe that one right over there. Oh, but there's guys getting up. Make it no fun. Okay, dude, hack him up for me. Oh my gosh! Big Bubba's right there. Oh, there's two Big Bubbas. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh no! Oh crap, dude. I'm kind of surrounded in fire. Well, that could have gone better. Oops. That couldn't have gone any better. Oh, I killed these guys again. Ah, crap.
We'll have to take them all out before we can get in.
Okay, well now. Pop your face out. Just do it. Do it. Oh, I got a headshot. I got a headshot. We won't stand a chance
if we don't take out those other guns.
Alright, well, it was something important over there. Oh, crap. Okay. Shotgun. Shotgun. Alright. Alrighty. Oh, crap. Actually, I needed my sniper. Hold on a second. Oops. Gosh, I am so bad at, like, doing this thing. Oh my. I have a bad feeling they're gaining up on me. Ah, there he is. Alright, come and get me. Take him out for me! Oh no, you go. Oh wait, they're everywhere. all coming for me! Alright. Hey buddy, it's just you and me. Take it down. Stop kicking him in the butt. Alright. Bud, he's right here. He's all yours. Okay. I think they don't have anything else on them. Oh wait, there's something on this guy right here. Thank you for your generosity. And sorry about chopping your head off. Oh crap. Whoa! Oh, that was close. Alright, open up. I shot him in the leg. Did you not see that? He still should have gone down. Because that's how the game works! Alright. Relax, Big Bubba. Stay down, Big Bubba. Holy crap. Okay. I should burn you. Okay, that's one more down, or two more to go. Now we got two down, two more to go. First, I'm gonna load up my gun. Alright, you go and handle them, because you got a really strong axe. I don't think you're really even handling them. Oh crap, there's one behind me. Ah, crap. Alright. You were hurting him. Get out. Ah, crap. Get out of my way. Boo. Okay. I don't think there's anything on him. Ooh, I gotta play with their body. Alright. You were the most freaking badass ever. I swear, Joseph. I have to keep you alive. You were very important. Alright. Okay. Here he comes. Ah, God! He's angry. Alright. I could snipe that guy right there. Alright. You. Open sesame. Nope. I need a better view. Okay. Alright. Ah, come on. Ah, whoa! Jesus, don't do that to me! Okay. I was not paying attention to you. Okay. Where's my hatchet? My hatchet. Get out. Okay. They don't have any freaking sniper bullets. I just wasted them all. Man, I'm such a bitch. Wait, is that sniper ammo? No, that's handgun. Most unneeded ammo right now. Holy crap, dude. Okay. Okay. No, I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. Alright. I'll die if I stay there, because, yeah. Trap him up! Oh, crap. Alright, here we go. What? That didn't do anything. Oh, that did something. Well, I could just... Oh, hi. Okay. chance of sniper ammo around here? Maybe. Chance sniper. No, a syringe. Something I really don't need right now. Gosh, it's always something I don't need. Hold on. Oh crap. Okay. I don't know why I had to go up or make myself go up. Oh, here we go. I think that's sniper ammo. Yes, it is. Nice. Okay. You know, it's like 3 bullets, but it's gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna go out, take that guy out. Oh, hey, there's a few more of them. Joseph, you know what to do. Look at him, man. He's just like chasing after him. That's freaking funny. There you go. I got him. Okay. Now I just gotta get one more. Okay. Ah! Ew, he was inside me. That's disgusting. Oh my god, did you just seriously fall off? You dork. Come back up here and play with me. Oh my god, I gotta do this again. Go up, go up, go up. So watch, it's gonna climb up. Hey! Gosh, you're supposed to go after me. You totally failed that. Alright. Pick up the axe. Come on. Oh, that failed. Oh god. Okay. How much is there of them? How much there is there? How much is there? Oh my. How much there can there be? So much there. Oh hi! Yeah, the switch apparently did something. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. You freaking... Joseph just freaking ran in there and took them all out. Dude, you were like the best partner I ever had. Okay, stop kicking the body. I'm trying not to kick the body. I'm trying to get the crates. Oh crap. I think there's more of them. Oh no, he's beating him up. Okay. You next, Big Bubba. Okay. I don't think there's any more, hopefully. Hopefully there is not much more of them. Oh crap. Oh, okay. Here's the last one. Maybe I can shoot the guy from here? No, I can't get a good shot. Huh. I'm going to have to figure something out. I can run out there and see, like, where it goes and stuff. I don't know if I can get the aim on him from here. Uh-oh. You're growling. Where's that growling come from? Quit growling now. Phew! Oh, I see. Excuse me. Alright, so I gotta run in here like this. Quickly. Ah, gosh, that's hard. Alright, no, I just gotta quickly run out here. He'll pop his little head out. Okay. I did it. Yay.
Nothing should stand in the way of getting to the tower now.
Hold on, I think I got some ammo stuff I gotta do. Let me reload my guns. Okay. Wait. Oh, wait. Why do I keep doing that? I don't even know what I'm doing sometimes. Dang it. Oh. Grenades. Okay. Change bolt. I keep thinking this make bolt, or make bolt is to change bolt. So I get them all mixed up. Wow. I am pretty much kind of loaded on bolt ammo right now. Okay. Wait, why did I pull a grenade? I need my handgun. Handgun ammo. Oh, crap. No, you didn't. You gotta be kidding me. You're stucking me down here with him. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, he's so fast. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. Chill. Ow. No, don't roll it. Don't run at it. It's silly. I'm out of ammo now. Okay. Fire. What the heck? I think he's confused. Okay. Alright, let's throw an explosive at him. Wait, what do shock arrows do? I've never even used one yet. I don't think I do. Oh! Oh, I see what it does. Okay. I just made a really weird noise there. Okay. Whoa. Holy crap. I think I killed him. Did I kill you? Yes! You are no match for me, mister. No. Okay.
Let's be careful. It could be full of people.
That's what I'm afraid of. Alright. Pick up. Harp. I can't pick up. Alright. Well, let's go. Nope. Can't break this.
The elevator is stopped at the top. Let's look for another way up.
It sounds like there's a hospital up there too. So I'll just go to the hospital. There it is. Yeah. Excuse me, sir. I'm just gonna go to the hospital. Journal of Sebastian Castellanos, May 17, 2006. 8 months since Myra and I were married. And you, little Lily, are the result of our love. I can't wait for the 2 months to pass so that I can finally meet you. But I must admit that I am scared. I have faced countless dangers in my job. But knowing that I'm going to be a dad is the scariest thing of all. I promise to love you and protect you with every fiber of my being as long as I am in this world. I will enter the stage of my life the same way I do every important task, with a full heart and the desire to do the best that I can. Just know that your mother and I love you already and cannot wait to welcome you into this sometimes harsh world. You'll be a great father. I'm pretty sure. I had a feeling probably something happened to his daughter. I don't know, because I'm assuming because he didn't talk about his daughter much. I can't break that open. Or his wife at all. Like, I didn't even know he was married. Heck. Do I have like a key or something? Nope, I don't have a key. Something happened. It wasn't really good. Alrighty, well. Chair over there. I only have 9,000. I don't think that's really gonna get me much, to be honest. Oh wait, my sprint time will be a little bit faster. Syringe recovery. Yeah, I should have a little bit more recovery to my syringe. Maybe I could get some stock. Nah. Oh wait, yeah, I don't have any brains. Lol, I thought it said I had 2005. Wow. Wow, I'm a flippin' silly pants. Alright. Okay, well, I think that's everything I need to handle there. Alrighty, partner, let's go. Oh, excuse me. Wait, oh yeah, we gotta burn him. Burn his body. Somehow that unjams the elevator completely. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Alrighty. Well, look for stuff, because they sometimes always have stuff on the side. I'm all syringed up, apparently. Okay, well. Alrighty then.
Do you think Kidman is okay?
I don't like that they used her as bait. Almost like someone's toying with us.
Uh-oh.
Hang in there. Just a little further.
Alright. It's okay. Just don't turn into one of them and try to kill me, and then we're all cool. You're still a badass, though. Alright.
There are only two. We can take them.
No, that's not...
Oh, crap.
Joseph!
Oh, crap. Okay, okay. They're gonna chop his head off if I don't do something. Pick up more sniper bullets. Okay, come on. Oh, crap. I can't get a clear shot until maybe they pop one of their heads up. Oh my god, hurry up and reload. Oh god. Okay.
You okay?
I'm fine. No need to worry.
Alright. Well, now what? How do I get over there? Oh, thank you, Joseph. Oh my gosh, you were just... I love you. I just love you. You're so awesome. You're like the most helpful freaking AI ever.
Huh?
Except for you kind of...
What the hell?
It's just a matter of time.
Dude, don't do it! No! After I got done complimenting you. Seriously? Dude, you're beautiful. Don't do it. Life is too precious.
What the fuck?
Oh my god. Well. Oh, great. And then they're back.
Cover me.
Let's go.
Okay. Got my medicine. Okay. Oh, no. Why are you so grabby? Okay. Oh, come on, dude. Aim's terrible.
Hurry, this way.
Okay, thank you. Oh, man. Whew,
Joseph,
well,
are you
Joseph,
all right?
thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm just glad I'm out of that pit. Holy moly. Alright. Well, Joseph. I don't know what crept into your mind to kill you, but whatever it is, just don't do it. Just don't do it. I have no idea where I can find. Oh, there's little parts. Alright. Oh, look, it's a little house.
This looks like some kind of a marketplace. It looks deserted, just like everywhere else. We ought to keep moving.
God. Ooh. It's deserted with bullets. That's nice. And brains. It's giving me everything that I just want. And there's a tape.
Father was a stern man. Proud. And I thought intelligent. But he was also pious. A believer. Somehow he always supported the church no matter what the newspaper said.
I think I smell those things.
He waved away the allegations as if they were infallible. The wretched, the vermin, the stern, all were taken in by that church. They were promised salvation and eternal life. But there's nothing they could promise that I couldn't take away.
I think that... Wait. Oh, more parts. Nice. I have a feeling that we have a boss fight coming up soon, because why would they be giving us all this nice stuff? Just to be wasted again. Oh boy, well... No. There's gotta be more. Is there more stuff back here? Oh, hey, there's brains! A big jar of brains, holy crap. Alrighty. Well... Is that everything? Did I get up? Oh, wait. Wait. There's a chest. There's a chest. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, cool. And I got another medikit. Whew. More brains. I think that was everything. I think I got everything that needs to be get, so. Alright, well. Well then, let's just head on up to the next area. Head on through. Come on. Where's Joseph? Oh, there he is. Okay. Wait. Why am I slowly opening this? Oh my. Well, that was a nice place to have a marketplace right next to a cemetery.
Where do you suppose we are?
More like when? This architecture seems straight out of the Middle Ages.
Yeah, but there's electricity. Elevators. This place can't be real.
It's like jumbled up memories.
Wait, I think I have a theory for what's going on here. So Sebastian is probably either like dead, and he's probably like in this mind of some psycho or something, so he's made up by some psycho who is really his good side, and he's trying to stop his bad side. Or wait, Leslie is like the good side of whoever that is, the bad guy, and then Sebastian could be like in a psychotic stasis where he's like in those beds that look like the lung, or he's like in a bed but he's like kind of like in a coma, weird like state dream or something like that. I really don't know, but there's actually a few theories to why or what's going on here, because I really don't know what's going on here. I mean, this is the only thing I could think. Or he could be sleeping and dreaming about this whole thing, and it's really just not real.
Shit. Let's hide out in here for a minute.
Is this what it was like, Seb? After the accident?
Well, I never put a gun to my head.
No, of course not. Just quietly sank into a bottle.
We can't all be perfect. It never affected my work. But hey, you read the IA report.
You know I didn't report you because I was worried about your work, Sebastian.
What else is there? We don't have time for this. I need my partner here. I'm counting on you.
So something did happen to you. Oh my. And I kind of knew it. Or kind of had a feeling. Oh wait, what's in here?
It's all
nice.
Symbols.
Alright, I could be using
Kind
it.
of cult. Could be useful. I think I'm okay. We should probably get going.
Buddy, you did just try to kill yourself back there. But that's good that you're doing better. I'm glad. Good for you. I'm glad to hear that. Still concerned, but I'm glad to hear that. Oh, she's not there. She's usually like right there, but this time she's not there. Alright. Okay, well, missing. Pastor Salvador Graciano, Pastor Graciano, and several parishioners at the Cedar Hill Church are missing. The church has been locked up tight since they disappeared. Huh. Ah, he's more likely dead, like the rest of them. I don't know how to say that word. Parishioner? Parishioner? I really don't know how to say that stupid word. Alright.